unboxing one computer case. Do not try his own, kids. No, he's not. It's a bit nasty, so you can see how I have to put the box inside.
No.
I can't get that box. Probably stuck in there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'll push it out.
Yeah.
Not a good quality case, I wouldn't like that. Oh, go on, put your foot on top of the case. That's it.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Okay. As is, you can see, he's upside down. Sorry about that, but I have to wait 5 minutes.
Get Craig's new funky shoes in the picture.
Yeah. £20 from Shoe Shop and Maidstone. I don't really. Okay, case with how much you pay for it?
25 quid.
25 quid, not a bad case. Not really. Has a 550 watt power.
No, 500 watt.
Yeah, 500 watt power supply in the back.
Looks alright.
What you paid for is not that bad.
Take that off. Ooh, the front cover comes off, does it?
That's a little bit annoying, I would say, but you can break that easy, but if you're gentle with it and look after it, it'll be alright. Enough there for 1, 2, 3, 4 drives.
And a 3 1/4.
Yeah, 3 1/4.
And 3 1/2.
That's it.
3 1/2. No.
And his back plate.
There's...
We want.
Oh,
Nothing
yes. USB in the side there,
yep.
And it looks like there's firewire, but it's not actually there.
No.
I don't know if you can actually see that. And power switch, no reset button. Really? No reset button. Oh, there's a reset button inside there. Okay. So that is the EZCool H-620 case.